The Chinese government has stated the next Dalai Lama will be born in Tibet and chosen by them. What do you think about this? The very purpose of a reincarnation is to continue the unfinished work of the previous incarnation. Thus, if the Tibetan situation still remains unsolved, it is logical I will be born in exile to continue my unfinished work. 而中国政府表示，下一任达赖喇嘛将出生在西藏，并由他们选定。你对此怎么看？转世的真正目的是为了延续前一世未完成的事业。因此，如果西藏问题依然没有解决，那么我在流亡中转世，以继续我未完成的事业，是合乎逻辑的。